Hello, it's Dynamic AFK here, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. It's going to be a supply drop unboxing video. Just before I let the video roll on and let you watch me supply drops, reactions and shit like that, I kind of accidentally deleted some footage of me getting some pretty nice guns, so kind of fucked up there. Yeah, kind of fucked up. So it's going to be an advanced one, and 210 just now, and I've already got all my attachments for my SM1. Well, not all of them, the ones I use for grip, advanced rifling and quick draw. So I level up again and getting more stuff and more, and doing more supply drop unboxings. So I'll let the video speak for itself, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Goodbye. Just got another supply drop. I'm going to open it. If I get an elite I can sell it, and then I can prestige. So I'm going to close my eyes. Open it. Maybe not, but double XP and MK14 is alright. So I'll see you in a minute when I get another one. When I do my advanced one, that's my next one. So I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, I've just and the next one is actually going to be the last one. I'm not joking. So I'm going to open it and close my eyes and see what we get. Come on, please, elite. Double elite. The loophole. I think I've got two of them. Hang on, let me see. Have I? Loophole? No, I've got one. It's not that bad. I got that and that. Two Goliaths now. A Career X, the original ones. So let's sell it. And I'll see you in the next part when we do the last supply drop. And the back, I just hit Prestige 10 as you see there. Got my advanced supply drop here. There. Got the Atlas loadout, tier 1 loadout here. I'm going to open the advanced supply drop and close my eyes. Please give me a new elite, please. Alright. Triple elite! Ooh, shit. I don't even know if the camera was on it because I closed my eyes. Triple elite to end the video. Fucking hell. I got two Goliaths now. A Lagoon helmet, which is nice. And the ball strike. Look. Lagoon helmet. 2 MP11 Goliaths. That's what Lagoon helmet looks like. It's pretty nice. It's very nice. So yeah, see you in a minute. So I hope you did like that video. I just got a triple elite at the end, the first triple elite of my advanced supply drop openings, and I just hit Prestige 10. You see, I got the MP11 Goliath, Lagoon helm, and what the IMR ball strike. So I'm happy I got them. I got the tier 1, Atlas tier 1 loadout, and yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. So hope you did like it. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys on another video. So goodbye.